friends. Let's learn bedroom and sleeping time words in English and Chinese. Bed,
床
time to sleep in the bed. Pillow,
枕头
rest your head on the pillow. Blanket,
毯子
cover with the blanket. Lamp,
台灯
turn off the lamp. Door,
门
open and close the bedroom door. Window,
窗户
look outside the window. Let's say them again. Bed,
床
pillow,
枕头
blanket,
毯子
lamp,
台灯
door,
门
window.
窗户
Great job! Remember to subscribe this channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.